Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Wow, you know, I told you, I'm changing it up. I have cut all my bio hair off and it was the best thing I ever did. I do not know why I waited so long. I have, as you know, after chemo, my hair came back fine, frizzy, worse than it was beforehand. It was never good, but after chemo and when it grew back, it was worse than before. And I usually just kept it in a ponytail, wore it with a hat, and finally I said, I'm finished with that. I'm going to cut my hair, and I did, and I love it. And I will never let my hair grow out again. So I wanted to show you that. I got a new haircut, but today what I really want to show you is a new style from Raquel Welch On In 10. It is, of course, one of the new spring 2022 releases, SS Iced Latte Macchiato. That's a mouthful. RL17 23SS. All right, let's get started and look at Raquel Welch On In 10. We're going to talk about Raquel Welch On In 10. I threw on my Raquel Welch Untold Story. Now, you know, Raquel Welch came out with 4 new releases. I have 3 of them, and I have reviewed all of them except the On In 10 that we're going to look at today. So this is Untold Story, and you know, if you've watched my channel for any time, you know that Upstage, Raquel Welch Upstage, has made my top wig for the last 2 years. Well, I'm going to tell you that Untold Story, I'm not sure yet. I'll see how it wears this year, but this might have eased out Upstage. I'm not sure, but it is wonderful. If you haven't seen my video on it, I will link it below, but have a look at Untold Story. Okay, Raquel Welch On In 10 SS Iced Latte Macchiato. I reviewed this color, I think, a long time ago in a short wig, but I was excited to try it in this new style. So just packaged like normal, has a hairnet. Let's look at this color and cap, see all about this new style. All right, let's shake it a little like I always do. This color is so pretty. Heat-friendly fibers. I believe On In 10 is available in around 38 shades, I think. All right, basic cap here. It has a memory cap. As you know, those have the silicone grip. Now, if you have no hair, this is good. This helps secure it a little bit if you have no hair. And it's also, oh wow, look, lots and lots of stretch here. Open, extended nape, Velcro adjusters. It has open ear taps with stays. Okay, just kind of want to have a look at this color. Okay, well, you know, I'm going to show you this color outdoor, but let's just talk about it indoors for just a minute. I just want you to get a look at this. Now, this is such a nice, cool shade, in my opinion. It's highlighted with these gorgeous blonde highlights, and it has this base of an ash blonde. I love ashy colors. I think they're very wearable. I prefer them on a lot of styles, and this has a base, a really ashy base, and then it has this light brown rooting. I like this rooting. This is very well done. Okay, let's try this on. All right, basic cap, like I said. Just gonna run my hands through here and see what we got. First of all, I'm going to take out that part a little bit. Okay, let's talk about fit. Now, this fits me large. Now, since I cut my hair, I I have found that things are fitting me a little larger, I need to remeasure my head. Before my haircut, my head is measuring 21¼ inches. I do find, of course, you know, you cut all that hair off and sometimes things fit a little larger. So this is a nice everyday wig. I can tell that. Low, there's not a lot of permatease. Even though this is a basic cap, you know, you might think, oh, there's going to be a lot of permatease. I don't think that's the case at all. Feel slight through here. You know, now, keep in mind, this is just my opinion. I love permatease. You know that. The bigger the better. So what I say is low density, you might say no, not low density. But however, there's just not a lot of permatease here. That's just the fact. You can see that this is sleeker. Just running my hands through it, like you know I always do that. I'm going to loosen up these fibers like I always do. You can tell already just by doing that, this is going to provide some movement here. Oh, this is like I said, I know this is a basic cap. This is a really good price point. Now, I purchased this wig from Wig Studio One with my own funds, so be sure to check it out over there. I like this. I love a good everyday wig I can throw on and go. Okay, let's talk about this fit and how the coverage is. Now, like I said, basic cap. No mono features, no lace front. Here is my bow hair, here and here. Ear tab fits right there. Now I'm going to run a little water through here because that's just how I like to do it. And already I like that. Just, you can see the difference just by running a little water on this one side. Just using my hands to separate these fibers. Now you can use any kind of styling product, anything you want, you can use on here. I'm just showing you that. Normally I start out with just a little water, and that gives me an idea of what I can do to this wig. It doesn't fall in my face at all. Now the bang on this is 7 inches. You could trim this bang if you wanted. I don't see any reason to. I kind of like this little side sweeping bang here. The sides are 7, so the bang is 7, the side's 7. The back on this one is 8 inches. Make sure you see that. The nape is 3.75 and 3.7 ounces. Wow, what a fun everyday style. I will definitely be reaching for this, and I really like this color. Very neutral. This is a very neutral color. I think a lot of skin tones can wear this color. And this rooting, Raquel Welch got it right with this rooting. Okay guys, that is my review of Raquel Welch On In 10. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I hope you will try some of these new Raquel Welch styles. If you're looking for a really fun everyday wig, have a look at this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.